And we are back. I found some more interesting things in that 1978 newspaper that I think is interesting, and I want to show you. Look at the movies that were on in 1978. I don't know, can you see that? Where is it? You got Carrie, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, Muhammad, the hell that is. There's, look at this. Molecules in Dusts and Gases, Theory on Life. Stupid. What do we got here? Look. TV, $489. Look at those prices. Look at that piece of shit radio. $60. That's crazy. Look, look at the alarm clock, the latest thing, 55. That's expensive. $55 for that. That's crazy. Anyway, here we go, look. That's about the same, don't you reckon? Single bed, $339. Lounge chair. I don't know. I mean, my lounge was $4,000, but you know, that's me.